Hello students, welcome back. Previously we discussed about number system. In that we already studied about the non-positional number system and positional number system. Non-positional number system is used by our ancient people, like they used to use the sticks and stone to count the thing. This method of counting things using additive approach is called as non-positional number system. Means that time people use stones or stick to count the number only in additive forms. Okay, so that is called as non-positional number system. It has its own disadvantage as complex calculation could not be performed with this number system. So the positional number system was developed. Because this non-positional number system, it has a disadvantage that you cannot use that number system for the complex calculation purpose, and that's why non-positional number system is after some days people were not using that particular system and they shifted towards positional number system, which we are using nowadays. Here few digits represent different values of weight depending on the position they have in the number. Positional number system means the number or a particular digit in the given number has a value depending on its position. The value of number in the number system is calculated on the basis of digit, its position in the number and the base of the number system. So three things are considered while calculating the value of number, that are the position of number, the digit and base value of the number system. In positional number system we are going to study decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system and hexadecimal number system. First one is a decimal number system. Before going for that, you just remind yourself about the positional value. You have already learnt about the face value and place value of the number or a digit in a given number. Suppose my number is 12. In the number 12, the value of 2 is 2. Place value is also 2 and face value is also 2. And because 2 is in the unit place. But the value of 1 in number 12 is, face value is 1 and the place value is 10, because 1 lies in the 10th place. Okay, so based on that we are going to study this number system. In that, first one is a decimal number system. Decimal number system means there are total 10 digits in this system, which starts from 0 and ends to 9, means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. All these 10 digits are included in decimal number system. This digit can represent any numeric value. For example, they have given one example, that is 987. The value of 987 is 987 actually. So we arrived at this value by sum of each digit multiplied by power of digits position. Now how do we get that value? Normally what we say 987, but what it means actually 987 means 900, value of 8 is 80 and value of 7 is 7. So how we come to this value, actual exact value of 987? They have given the formula over here. See, if you write the number with the positional value as this is a decimal number, the base of number is 10. So what we do, we multiply every digits in number by 10. The value or the when we calculate this actual value, we multiply the first digit at the unit place by 10 raised to 0, and then 100 place with digit, we multiply that digit with 10 raised to 1. then 10th place 10 raised to 1, and 100th place 10 raised to 2, like that you have to carry forward. So in this case, in 987, 7 multiplied by 10 raised to 0, 8 multiplied by 10 raised to 1, and 9 multiplied by 10 raised to 2, because the place value of 9 is 900. Okay, and you have to add all these values. So what we get after addition, first after multiplication, 900 plus 80 plus 7, and when you add all these three you get 987. So this is the actual representation of this decimal number 987. So here we can say that 9 is a most significant bit, MSB, and 7 is the least significant bit, LSB. Okay, so towards your right hand side there is a LSB, least significant number, and towards your left hand side it is MSB, most significant bit. So decimal number has base of 10. So as I have told you already, the base of decimal number system is 10. Understood? Very good. Then, so what we have discussed in the decimal number system, the simple is the base of decimal number system is 10. It is made up of 10 digits of 0 to 9. Okay, and how you represent that particular number using the place value of 10 means you have to multiply 10 raised to 0 to the unit digit at unit place, then 10 raised to 1 to the digit, multiply this number with the digit at 10th place, and again 10 raised to 2 to the digit at 100th place. So like that you have to do the calculation. Understood? Good. Then binary number system. Binary number system, bi means 2. This number system has only two digits, 0 and 1. Base of this number system is 2. Here the right position is referred as 2 raised to 0, and second position is referred as 2 raised to 1. Okay, so here as base is 2, we have to consider 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, like that. Okay, binary means what we have seen. Binary means it made up of two digits, 0 and 1. So if the last digit of binary number is 1, the number is odd, and if last digit is 0, number is even. So always remember that if the binary number have last digit 1, that means its corresponding decimal number is a odd number, and if binary number's last digit is 0, that means its corresponding decimal number is even always. Okay, then next number is octal number system. Octal means 8. Octal number system contains 8 digits from 0 to 8, and therefore it has the base 8, which implies every position in this system represent a power of base 8 as compared to binary system which had the base of 2. The rightmost position referred to as 8 raised to 0, and second position referred at 8 raised to 1, and so on. So see, here it is the octal number system. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so here you have to consider the rightmost digit. You have to multiply it by 8 raised to 0, and then second rightmost digit is 8 raised to 1, 8 raised to 2, like that you have to carry forward. Now hexadecimal number system. This number system contains 16 symbols, digits from 0 to 9 and 8 to F characters. The first 10 digits of this number systems are represented just like a 10 digit of decimal number system, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A rest of the digits from 11 to 15 are represented by A, B, C, D, E, F. This number system has base of 16. The rightmost position is 16 raised to 1. Second position is rightmost position is 16 raised to 0. Second position is 16 raised to 1 and carry on. Okay. So hexadecimal number system means it has a base of 16, means 16 digits, but from that 0 to 9 first 10 digits are normal like a decimal number system, and 11 to 15 are represented by alphabet A, B, C, D and E, F. So total 6 alphabets are used. So 16 digits form this hexadecimal number system. Now see here. Overall what we have studied. They have given summary of it. System, base and digits. Binary system, base 2, digits 0 and 1. Octal system, base 8, digits 0 to 7. Decimal system, digit 10, 0 to 9. Hexadecimal, base 16, digits 0 to 9 numbers, and 11 to 15 A, B, C, D, E, F alphabets are used. Understood this number system? Good. Now, this is activity for you. You have to solve it. Which type of number system was used by ancient people? The answer is here. One word you have to use, that is non-positional number system. What is the base of octal number system? 8. Which binary number depict off state? That is 0. 1 means on and 0 means off. Which number is represented by C in hexadecimal number system? So after 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 means 10 digits. Then 11 means A, 12 means B and 13 means C. So C represent 30 number. 13 number. Okay. Good.